Hey, I'm your boy, Chris Okili. Welcome to Christocentric Film House, a home of films, documentaries, comedy skits, inspirational talks, interviews, and musical videos. We are all about entertainment and truth. I beg, no waka pass if you never subscribe. Drop your comments on the comment box and give us a like. We love you. Hello everyone, you're welcome to but in our next tutorial we're going to learn how to use ourselves, our face, as the character. But for today we're going to use a simple character to begin with. Now this particular one is the microphone. Now if I trigger it, you will see the signal of my talk. You can see the signal. As I'm talking, the signal is coming in. Now we're going to see their use later on. Now follow me. Now to start, click on this start button here. Look at it on the top right, on the top. You click on it. Once you click on it, all of these characters will appear. Now we have a lot of characters here. As you can see, there are lots of characters here. And if you're not comfortable or satisfied with these particular characters here, you can click on see more. Once you click on see more, it takes you to the website where you see more characters to choose from. But for today we're going to keep it simple. Today we're going to choose let's choose Mr. Wendigo. Now once you click on it, you give it some time. Now we have Mr. Wendigo in Adobe Character Animator. Now as you can see on the timeline, we have Mr. Wendigo, and Mr. Wendigo is showing in our monitor. Like I said earlier on, now you can also see Mr. Wendigo footage in our project window. Now after opening the character, what do we do next? Now like I said earlier on, we can decide to use our microphone to trigger Mr. Wendigo's mouth. Now, if I click on this microphone, if I on it, you can see it for yourself. You can see Mr. Wendigo is talking right now. Mr. Wendigo is using my voice to talk. Now you can see that Mr. Wendigo is activated. That is because I've activated the mic. But today we're not going to use this. It's going to be for another tutorials. Now we're going to use an external audio. Somebody asked the question, how do we bring in an external audio and use it for our character? And that is what I'm addressing today. Now the next thing we're going to do is to go to File, you click on Import, or you do a Control I. I have my recorded audio on my desktop here. This is it. Hey, saved it here. Now you click on Import. Now as you can see, it is already there, and it is there in our project window. Like I said, whatever you import will always come to your project window, waiting for you to tell it what to do. Now we're going to drag our audio to the timeline. This is the fun part. Now listen to the audio. Hey, I'm your boy, Kris Okili. Welcome to Christocentric. Now as you can see, the audio is not even affecting drop it in the comment box, and see you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.